Rachel Alejandro tayo.
Rachel Alejandro tayo. Doc F, meron ka bang gustong i-promote, sabihin sa mga kabarangay natin na sumusuporta?
Salamat. Happy Valentine's Day ulit sa lahat. Yung Facebook account ko, docf_doctopapa. So small caps, docf_doctopapa@yahoo.com. I'd like to thank Drs. Levi and Anna Marie Lansangan of Shimen Manila Surgery Center, branches in Tomas Muerto, Medical Plaza Ortigas, and Green Hills for my skincare. May pabati lang, no, yung VMAPA High School Batch 77 Grand Reunion will be held on Feb 19, 2011 at the Island Cove Hotel and Leisure Park in Cavite. Please call Bong Bernales for details, 0927-939-5286. And I'd like to greet Dr. Gal Hiron Ramos, my good friend. She's listening right now. And Pauline Falejo, hello.
Okay.
Yun.
Yun na? Ang konti naman, Doc.
Wala ka bang date?
Tsaka abangan yung, meron kami World Kidney Day on March 20 sa SM Manila.
Okay.
So all the pediatric nephrologists all over the Philippines will be there. We will be offering free services sa SM. So, makikita nyo kami doon, SM Manila.
Kailan
March 20 from 4 to 8 p.m.
Alright.
That's in cooperation with SM Supermalls.
Okay.
Nandun ako kung gusto nyo ako makita.
Pwede magpa-picture sa'yo?
Pwede.
Pwede ba mapa-autograph sa'yo, Doc?
Pwede.
Mamigay ka naman ng kalendaryo namin.
Tsaka UST Postgraduate Course, Department of Pediatrics, gagawin sa October. Not sure kung kailan, basta October sa Baguio.
Sosyal.
So, punta tayo lahat sa Baguio.
Sarap, summer.
Maraming salamat, Doc
Ayan,
F.
salamat, Kiko, and salamat there and all the listeners.
Thank you.
So, next week, bye-bye. This is Doc F leaving everyone with my tagline.
Stay healthy! Alright. Sige, marami tayong natutunan. At eto na, ang kanyang paboritong song. Isunod na natin agad. Hindi po Funky Town, mga kabarangay. His favorite song ay itusunod po natin. Ito po ang Talk to Papa. My name is Papa Bear.
Ako po si Papa Kiko.
Ito ang tugstugan at tawanan. Tuloy-tuloy lang sa Barangay LS 97.1.
Tugstugan na.